What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at the house working on the John boat. I decided on the boat that I'm gonna go in a different direction on it. Watched any of my videos, previous boat build videos. You know, I was gonna put a tiller motor on it and keep it kind of simple, but it kind of turned out a little more complicated, and I just decided that I was gonna put a steering console in it, and I've been working on it, putting the decks in. Made a lot of progress on it over the past couple weeks, and I'm going to show you the updates I've done to it and show you where I'm at on it. Without further ado, guys, let's get started on it. Alright, guys, got the front deck in. It's just sitting in there right now. Got the hatches in. I've got to seal the wood. It's 1/2-inch marine plywood on the front deck. I've got so much bracing up here, I was able to get away with going with 1/2-inch, and I got all my hatches in. Been working on the steering console. This is a console from TH Marine. It came with a fiberglass console, pretty sleek one. It looks good, but it's about 24 inches wide. And I brought the deck back so far on it, I wasn't able to use it. It's too big. I don't have much room here. So I got this one. It's a narrow console, and I did some modifications to it. And it's tied into got it tied into the front deck, and it's solid. But that's what I've been working on. And I got it tied in and secure. Got some seats, they're just sitting in there right now. We got the floor in the main floor in. This 3/4 inch marine plywood. It's got to be sealed also. It's just laying in there. But I just got everything laying in there right now. Got it mocked up. See how everything's gonna fit. And it's turned out pretty good. I'm gonna put 1/2-inch on the back too. I just got that piece of plywood laying in there. I've got a live well coming. I'm gonna plumb a live well in, and then it's got another hatch in the back here. But turned out pretty good so far. That little box up under the seats came with a boat. Purchased that roto-molded coin box also. Gonna be bolted to the top of the box for some extra storage. Got some cup holders in it, and the lid on that aluminum box also lifts up. It lifts up from the back, and you can use that as storage also. But steering console come out pretty good. I've got the wheel and the steering helm inside. I hadn't installed it yet, but probably in the next week or so I'll get that installed, and I'll get this plywood sealed up. I'm going to use marine epoxy to seal the wood, and then I'll go over that with SeaDek, and it should last for at least 20-30 years. But I'm glad I made that deck as big as it is. Got lots of storage in it. I've got just enough room right there to sit for the seats and the steering console. I still got to paint all the bare metal in here. That'll probably be after I get the decks sealed and get them sealed up. I'll paint the top, paint this inside. Got a brace right here for a sidewall that'll be going in. I'll put one over here too also. I hadn't got there yet, but got a subfloor in here. This is going to be my rod box. Should be able to hold plenty of rods. I think it'll hold probably a 7.6. I don't know if an 8-footer will fit in there or not, but I know it'll hold a 7.6 because I had one in there. But I've got that subfloor down there and got it riveted in. Ended up getting some liners for these two hatches right here. Lots of storage in there. Should be able to keep a lot of Plano boxes and tackle on this side. Same on this side. This one's got these got liners in them also. Probably keep my soft plastics in these. Got some tools and stuff in that one. The recessed trolling motor pedal. But I've got a seat base. I got to mount it right here. Just got to drill a hole. But turned out great. Plenty of storage in this boat. But sitting in the seat, got just enough room for this smaller console for a steering wheel. Got that closed off right there with some aluminum that came from the other part of the boat. Got all that enclosed up under there. But that's where I'm at with the build, guys. I just want to give y'all an update and some of the changes I've done on it. It's taken me a little extra time to put that console in and get that mocked up for the live well and all that, and the seats, but I think it's going to turn out nice. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to the channel. It would really mean a lot to me. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you out on the water.